Oh my god.
Are you like trying to take my man? Okay, what's up? Good morning, everyone. Today's going to be a very busy day, but we are going to squeeze in. We're going to squeeze in a quick workout. 6:30 in the morning, so I still look swollen and shit. But anyway, so yeah, we're heading on to the gym. Gonna get our workout on. Here's Ralphie looking shit as well. So.
Anyway, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also hit that notification bell to get notified to any new uploads on my channel. Thank you.
Okay, so we just got here in the gym. Looking ratchet and shit. There's Ralphie. So yeah. Okay, so we just finished working out. Our morning workout. But first, we're gonna have breakfast from our leftovers last night. Because we're that ratchet and we're that broke. So yeah. But we need to get that vitamin D though. That vitamin D. Currently having leftovers from last night's dinner. This is our post-workout meal. I'm currently preparing and I'm about to do my makeup, but today's agenda is that we are going on a yacht party. Courtesy by Scalp Beauty PH, so go check them out there. So you go check them out on Instagram, and I think they have a website, I'm not sure. But yeah, go check them out. So yeah, I'm so excited because this is my first time going on a yacht party. Because I'm not that bougie at all. I'm excited. So yeah, I'm gonna get back to you. I'm gonna just do my makeup real quick. So yeah. Okay, what's up? So now I look less trashier, but I'm already prepared, as you can see. And I also use Scalp Beauty's lip tint. I forgot what name exactly this is, but anyway, yeah. So now we are about to head off to the meeting place of Vertis North. We need to be there at 10 a.m. It's already 8:30, so yeah, I'll see you there. Okay, so what's up? So I'm ready with Miss Kylie and Miss Ayo. As you can see, they be bringing their luggages like they be staying for a week. But the tea is we be staying for a night lang. Ang extra for content. Kaya puro makeup lang naman. Dahil naka-outfit na sila. Hi! Miss Zara over here serving us really nice. Hindi, ano lang. I just started for 1 minute. Eme lang. DSWD. Yay! So after a day, nakaalis na rin kami. Team A in the bus, in the van. Hello!
What's good?
Stopover. Ito na po yung stopover namin. So currently here at the stopover with Ms. Zai. Girl, shut up. She's one of these Scalp Beauties pala. Scalp Beauties in the first class. Ay! We're at the reef. The reef. So we just got here at Subic. We're that bougie. It took us like 2 to 3 hours of travel time. So yeah, we're here, but we haven't had lunch yet. So Ito na nga pala yung mga pinalayas sa mga kanilang bahay. Sama-sama kaming.
But this is my angle. Paki-scan, please. Paki-scan.
Naka-gray ako though. Because I'm a rebel. To my crib. I'm bougie. Girl. 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 Kailangan mo talaga naka-white na. I feel out of place. I say tanggal na talaga ako sa PR list.
Outsider po dito.
Girl. Ang extra nung place. Hello. Too broke for this.
You will be with your boyfriend.
Hey.
316.
Yes, thank you. So guess what? We are at room 316. Oh my God, ang ganda! Girl, girl. Oh my God. Oh my God. Content talaga. Ah, doorbell. Ah, dito pala. I'm too broke for this. Wow, we got our rooms. Ay, Bob. Eh, oh my God. Oh my God. Cute. Let's check out the view. Let's check out the motherfucking view. Ah! The view. Oh my God, how do you open this? Eh. Yes. Oh my God. Inside, ooh, we got towels. We got a shirt, a merch. Ooh, we got this. What's this? What is this? Oh, we got some goodies from the Go Glass. Yes. Oh my God, check out the motherfucking bathroom. Hey. Hey. Okay, so I just want to tell you all something. This wouldn't be, oh my God. But I just want to say thank you to all of you because I wouldn't be here without you guys. So thank you so much for supporting me, sharing all the love in the comment section. Thank you. I love you. I love you. I love you. Okay, so we only have like an hour. We only have an hour to get ready for the yacht party. So I'll see you guys later. I used this teacup to hold my motherfucking brushes because I'm that ratchet. Hello. Currently doing my makeup because we only have 40 motherfucking 5 minutes. We're running late, but this is the outfit. I'm just gonna do a quick vlog, show you guys my whole outfit. So yeah, that's it. I just finished glamming up and I think we're kind of late, but yeah. Check out the lighting though. So we are all glammed up. Check out everyone. Everyone serving looks all white, nude, realness. Send nudes. About to go to the yacht party. Looking cute.
I didn't bring mine pala.
We need to bring.
A little arm candy movement. Hi, the Go Glass team. We're here looking all cute and shit. Andito na kami sa Yacht. Sa mga Yacht. Yes. Pili lang kayo guys ng mga yacht. I got you guys. Oh, sorry, Donya. Ang dating, mga Donya naman po pala mga to.
Mga ninang kami dito.
My God, this is bougie as fuck.
We gotta have like an image.
We too broke for this, but we're living it.
We're never broke.
Check out Kylie's shoulders gleaming like a star. Pwede na magprito ng itlog.
She's all greasy, huh?
She all greasy. She's gonna slip and slide. Yes. Yes. Give it to me. Jump, jump, jump. Girl, this view. Give us Titanic realness. Jack and motherfucking Rose.
Having a great afternoon right there.
Hi. Currently with Miss Gina. Book her for modeling gigs. Book her. Dai, gusto na lang namin mag-chill. Sarap. Hey, here's the food, y'all. Check it out.
Everyone, here in front. I know it's ang gaganda naman pala. That's why they've been so prepared for this afternoon.
Yes!
Well, I don't know what to say. What should I say? Well, thank you for coming here.
Yes, it's Carla! Get it!
Very sensitive, so I want to know how it reacts to my skin. So yes, party tayo tonight.
Yes! Yes!
Hi guys, I'm Nika G. Sa Vincula, and happy ako kasi nag-get together tayo dito, and of course
Yes! I can show you the world. Kain na, ang ganda! Nakakagigil! Ang ganda!
Run me the money, cause I be the bag I be, cause I be run me the money, cause I be the bag I be, cause I be run me the money, cause I be run me the money, cause I be the money, run me the money, cause I be run me the money, cause I be the money,
Wait. Alright.
So I'm currently here at the bathroom, changing my outfit to go to heaven. Girl, what the freak?
Hey!
Check out this oh, okay, never mind. Excuse me? Are you trying to date my man? Trying to date my man? Trying to start with me? Trying to start with me in this yacht? I'ma take your weave. Your 50-cent weave.
I actually do have a weave.
Totoo ba?
36.
Ngayon wala. Fucking bitches! I'm wet, sorry. Miss Cassandra! Ang tagal! Ayaw magpatalo! Exposed! Hello mga yummy yum! Kuya, wag muna! Kuya, may nagmamahal pa sa'yo! Okay, so I fucking lost my voice. But yeah, so we are currently on our way back to the hotel. Girl, that was fun. Seriously. Okay, by the motherfucking way, I swam in the ocean and my makeup did not come off. Literally. Like, I still have my brows on. My blush, my foundation, my contour. Girl, if I were you, go buy Nichido's setting spray. Oh, wait, let me get it. Go buy this shit because it will make your makeup last longer the whole day. So, yeah. Okay, so I don't know if you can see me, but we're gonna have dinner here at the club. Di talaga bar hopping ginagawa namin. Dinner hopping, restaurant hopping. Dahil wala pa kaming mahanap. Oh my God. Yeah. Dinner at this Korean restaurant. It's a cute ass place at 24 hours place. Wow! Wow! Annyeong! Real cute! Cute. But not as cute as her. Sis. Worth it naman ang paghintay. Kasi laki. Mas malaki pa sa mukha ko yung plato. Yay, 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 yay. Na dahil natulog ng maganda pa din. Hindi man lang ng daya. The view is... Ay! Oh my God, I'm gonna die, I guess. Yeah. Bitch, we want best content. I'm using the TV as a mirror. But we want best content, bitch. Josh. Actually, matagal na namin. Balak namin bumili kasi ni Ralphie ng... Let's open up. Open up, open up. Ay, parang gamit na. Char. Yeah. Deserve. Okay, so we're still here at Subic. We're gonna have lunch here at motherfucking McDonald's. Period, this in periodically, city. Sana within the day, Ralphie. Tapos, nakabahan ako ngayon. Mananalo tayo.